The best part of the job is working with the people. I often deal with people over quite a long period of time, maybe a couple of years, and as part of understanding their case and trying to understand what all their losses are, become quite familiar with their situation, with their family, with their employment. Most people that come into the office have not dealt with a lawyer, or they've dealt with a lawyer very little. And so if they've been involved in a significant event, such as an accident, I try to put them at ease, try to explain the process in a language that they can understand. And as much as possible, I try to take most of the work off their plate so that we can look after it. And so if it's a personal injury claim, I provide them with a booklet of information where they can record certain things and they can keep receipts, but the balance of it, for the most part, we handle. We look after all the dealings with the insurance company. We deal directly with the healthcare providers. We deal directly with the RCMP. We deal directly with a variety of experts that we engage to try to advance their claim. And of course, we look after all the steps in the legal process. In my experience, I find that most people don't have the knowledge to understand the value of their claim. They need some outside advice because it's an area where people don't intuitively understand what fair compensation is, nor do they necessarily know what types of damages they're entitled to recover. So oftentimes when people deal directly with an insurance company, it's difficult for them to have a good understanding as to what the value of their claim is. I think what we can add is we've been dealing with insurance companies. I've been in practice for roughly 35 years, and I've been able to assist people both to resolve their claims, to go to mediations, to take it to trial and take it to the Court of Appeal if necessary, but we've handled it from start to finish on numerous occasions. And I appear both in front of a judge as well as with jury trials, and the goal always is to ensure that people get a fair settlement or a fair judgment.